Hi folks, I'm going to show you now how to put the table down and make this area into a bed. All the camper trailers do this. The sizing's just a little bit different and the cushion's a little bit different depending on which model it is, but the process is still the same. So what you have is 2 extra cushions in the kit, and you would have this extra piece of timber. We would normally have this timber just sitting under this cushion here, but we'll just put that to the side for now. So what I'll do is I'll show you how do we put the table down. So you would just sit your table up on your bed. It's quite decent weight. These here fold under, so we put them under here. Clip those 4. And then there's a lever on this side here. So you flick that lever and then the whole table spins around. So now that's a short table. So that's step 1. Just pop that here. So firstly there's this slat of timber here. There's a lip that goes around the bottom here. So we sit that on there firstly, and then we rotate our table around. And then these 2 extra pieces of cushion will sit in there. 1 and 2, and then that's made the extra bedding area. So that now has decent amount of space where you can sleep extra children, adults, or just lounge around yourself and read the paper and have a glass of wine.